Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So let's first open the screen recording settings. That's why we should launch the settings application, and after that tap here to the system settings, then click to the screen recording, and now we can see here the just picture section. Tap to the definition here and just switch medium to low. Also we can set here the custom just quality, and that's it. Also we can do it by the second way. So first open the notification panel, and after that find somewhere here the screen recording icon. In my case it's here. Just hold for a while this icon, and after that you'll launch the same screen recording settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.